All right, let's have a look at the solutions of assignment 3, chapter 3. Question 1. The angles in the triangle are in the ratio 1 to 2 to 3. What are the measures of the angles? So this question checks your knowledge about the sum of the interior angles, right? Sum of the interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. So we can let the angles be, if the angles is 1 to 2 to 3, we can let the angles be k, 2k, and 3k, right? Then the ratios are k to 2k to 3k. Then we can cancel the common factor k. Then the ratios is 1 to 3, 1 to 2 to 3. Of course, k is a real number and k is not 0. And we also know that the sum of the interior angles in the triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore, k plus 2k plus 3k should equal 180 degrees, right? Therefore, we have 6k equals 180 degrees. Therefore, k is 30 degrees, right? If k is 30 degrees, you know that the angles are k, which is 30 degrees, 2k is 60 degrees, and 3k. 3k is just 90 degrees, right? Okay, please have a look at this question and let me know if you finish, okay?
I'm done.
Okay, next one. Given the following diagram, what is the sum of the exterior angle of triangle ABC? Which means the sum of angle BAD plus angle CBE plus angle ACF. All right, so let's call this angle here alpha. This angle here is beta, and this angle here is gamma. In order to facilitate discussion, okay, because angle BAD equals, so BAD is the exterior angle of this triangle ABC, right? Any exterior angle equals the sum of the two remote exterior angles. So angle BAD just equals beta plus gamma, right? And follow same principle, angle CBE. So angle CBE is here. Note here, this angle is also a exterior angle of triangle ABC. So exterior angle CBE equals sum of the two remote exterior angles, which is alpha plus gamma, right? And angle ACF is here. Angle ACF is also a exterior angle. So this exterior angle should equal the sum of the two remote interior angles, which is alpha plus beta, right? So let's label them with 1, 2, 3. Then we can use 1 plus 2 plus 3. And this will get us the sum of the three angles, angle BAD plus angle CBE plus angle ACF should equal beta plus alpha plus gamma plus alpha plus beta, which is twice of the sum of alpha, beta, and gamma, right? And we also know that alpha plus beta plus gamma is 180 degrees because these three angles are the exterior angles of triangle ABC, right? Therefore, twice of 180 degrees equals 360 degrees, right? Therefore, the sum of angle BAB, angle CBE, and angle ACF should equal 360 degrees. All right, have a look at this question and let me know if you finish, okay?
I'm done.
All right, well, let's have a look at the next one. Okay, next question. The exterior angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4. What are the interior angles of the triangle? Okay, there is no graph. So in order to facilitate our discussion, it's better to draw a graph diagram like this. So suppose we have a triangle here, and let's call this angle is 1, this angle is 2, and this angle is 3. We want to find angle 1, 2, 3, right? And we also know that angle alpha here is the exterior angle, and let's call this angle here is beta, and let's call this angle here is gamma. Okay, so if the exterior angles are in the ratio 2:3:4, we can just let alpha equals 2k and let beta equals 3k and gamma equals 4k, right? Of course, k is a real number and k is not 0. So as long as we solve our k here, we know the degrees of alpha, beta, and gamma, right? Okay, so in our previous question, we have already proved that actually the three exterior angles, the sum of the three exterior angles should equal 360 degrees, right? Because we have already proved this, therefore we can use this as a theorem, right? The sum of three exterior angles should equal 360 degrees. Therefore, we know that 2k plus, okay, it's better to write it explicitly here because the sum of those three exterior angles, let's call this triangle ABC. Sum of three exterior angles of triangle ABC is 360 degrees, right? Therefore, 2k plus 3k plus 4k should equal 360 degrees, right? Therefore, we have 9k equals 360 degrees. Therefore, k should equal 40 degrees, right? And therefore, alpha equals 2k, which means 80 degrees. And beta equals 3k, which means 120 degrees. And gamma equals 4k, which is 160 degrees. Okay, because this angle, this angle, this angle here, this angle here, and this angle here, all of them are straight angles. Therefore, we can have angle 1 equals 180 degrees minus 80 degrees, which is 100 degrees. Angle 2 equals 180 degrees minus 120 degrees, which is 60 degrees. And angle 3 equals 180 degrees minus 160 degrees, which is 20 degrees, right? Okay, at last, it's better to verify if the sum of angle 1, 2, 3 is 180 degrees. So let's check 180 60, 20. So sum of angle 1 to 3 is 180 degrees. So probably we have get the correct answer. If the sum of the three angles is not 180 degrees, that means you got the wrong answer, right? Okay, please have a look at this question and let me know if we can proceed, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, let's see the next one. Okay, this time we're given a diagram as follows. Our task is to find angle ZYP. So angle ZYP is here. Okay, note angle ZYP is in the triangle YZP, right? So we can use this triangle to find degrees of angle ZYP, right? So we can say that in triangle YZP, we have angle ZYP plus, let's say this angle is alpha, plus alpha plus 29 degrees. Sum of the three interior angles should equal 180 degrees, right? Okay, remember that our task is to find angle ZYP. So angle ZYP is 180 degrees minus 29 degrees is 151 degrees, then minus alpha, right? So as long as we can solve alpha, we know angle ZYP, right? Unfortunately, alpha is just the exterior angle of triangle XYZ. So in triangle XYZ, we know that alpha, the exterior angle should equal the sum of the remote interior angles, right? So alpha should equal 52 degrees plus 58 degrees, which is 110 degrees. And therefore, angle ZYP should equal 151 degrees minus alpha, which is 110 degrees. Therefore, angle ZYP is just 41 degrees, right? Okay, have a look at this and let me know if you're finished.
Okay.
Okay, next question. Have you done this in your homework?
Yeah.
Okay, if you haven't, let me know. And probably it's better to give you 1 or 2 minutes to have a look at this question first. You know what I mean?
I did it.
Okay, then let's have a look at the solution. All right, given the following figure, find values of angle Y here. Okay, so note here in triangle XYZ, angle Y is just 180 degrees minus, let's call this angle alpha and this angle beta. So 180 degrees minus alpha minus beta, right? So as long as we can solve alpha and beta, we know the angle Y. Fortunately, angle alpha is just 180 degrees, not very difficult to find. just supplementary to this degree here, right? So angle alpha is just 180 degrees minus 123 degrees, which is 57 degrees. And angle beta is 180 degrees minus 97 degrees. And this will give us 83 degrees. Therefore, we can put alpha here and beta here, right? Angle y is 180 degrees minus 57 degrees minus 83 degrees. So this will give us 40 degrees. Okay, have a look at this and let me know if we can proceed, okay?
Okay.
All right, next one. Do you need to have a look at this question first? Have you done this?
Yeah.
All right, so there are two questions. Given the following figure, question 1 is to find the sum of the interior angles. Question 2 is to find the sum of the exterior angles. Okay, so sum of the interior angles is the sum of angles here, 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 and here, right? There are 6 angles. But note that we haven't learned anything about the interior angles of a hexagon, right? But we do learn that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle. So we need to make some triangles in this shape. So how about we connect these 2 points? We can connect these 2 points, these 2 points, and how about these 2 points? Then let's call this point A, this point B, C, D, E, and F. Okay, then let's call this angle 1, and this angle here is 2. This angle here is 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? And there are 3 more angles. So let's call this angle here is angle 7. And this angle here is angle 8. And this angle here is angle 9, right? So question 1 is about sum of the interior angle. So basically we need to find sum of angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Okay. So first of all, let's describe what we have done to this figure. We can connect A and C and E, and also the point A and E, right? This is what we have done to this figure. And in triangle ABC, we know the exterior angles of ABC is 180 degrees. That means angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle B is 180 degrees, right? And also in triangle BCE, we also know the sum of the exterior angles are 180 degrees. That means angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle D is 180 degrees, right? And in the third triangle, AEF, we have sum of the three interior angles is angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle F equals 180 degrees, right? And in the fourth triangle, which is the triangle in the middle, in triangle ACE, also we have the exterior angles, angle 7 plus angle 8 plus angle 9 should also equal 180 degrees, right? Therefore, let's call them 1, 2, 3, and 4. We can have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, right? Let's sum them up. So the left side is just angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Also angle B plus angle D plus angle F, right? Which is sum of the interior angles in this shape. And the right side is just 4 of 180 degrees. So that's 720 degrees, right? Therefore, the sum of the interior angles is 720 degrees. Okay, have a look at this question and let me know if you're finished, okay?
Okay.
All right, next one, we need to find the sum of all the exterior angles. Okay, so first of all, let's copy this shape. This shape has 6 sides, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, second question. And let's extend each side to find its exterior angles. Okay, so first of all, let's extend each side of the shape as shown on the left. Then let's mark these angles. So angle 1 is here, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 6, angle 5, angle 6. So angle 1 to angle 6 are all the exterior angles, right? And we want to find angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6, right? We want to find the sum of the exterior angles. Okay, in order to facilitate our discussion, let's call this angle here is 7. This angle here is 8. This angle here is 9. And this angle here is 10. And this angle here is 11. And this angle here is 12. And note that angle 1 is supplementary to angle 7, right? Angle 2 is supplementary to angle 8. 3 supplementary to 9. 4 supplementary to 10, 5 supplementary to 11, 6 supplementary to 12. Therefore, we know that the sum of angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6 is just 180 degrees. There are 6 of them, right? Minus angle 7 plus angle 8 plus angle 9 plus angle 10 plus angle 11 plus angle 12, right? And in our previous question, we have already proved that the sum of the interior angles is 720 degrees, right? Therefore, because sum of angle 7 plus angle 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 is 720 degrees. This is what we have proved in the previous question, right? Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 should equal 1080 degrees minus 720 degrees, which gives us 360 degrees, right? Okay, please have a look at this question and let me know if you finish, okay?
Okay.
Right, if you have done this, let's see the next one. Given that the angles have the measures indicated in the diagram, as shown below, prove that segment AB is parallel to segment CD, and segment BC is parallel to segment AD. Okay, in order to prove two segments are parallel, remember we need to use the judgment theorem, right? So we can prove either the alternate exterior and alternate interior angle are equal or something like that, right? Remember there are 4 judgment theorems we can use, right? Okay, back to this question. Okay, first of all, we can have a look at this angle here, right? If we can prove this angle is 70 degrees, then this angle is also 70 degrees. That means we have proved actually these two angles are congruent, right? And also note that these two angles alternate interior angles in the line AB and CD, transversal by line AC, right? So first of all, if we can, let's check if we can prove this angle is 70 degrees. Okay, angle ACD is in the triangle ACD, right? So let's say in triangle ACD, we know that angle ACD equals 180 degrees minus this angle here and this angle here, right? So minus 30 degrees and minus 80 degrees, which is 70 degrees, right? Okay, therefore we have angle ACD equals angle CAB. Okay, this means this angle here equals this angle. And also because they are alternate interior angles, therefore we have segment AB parallel to segment CD. Can you follow me?
Yeah. 。
Okay, then Next, we need to find if we can prove this segment is parallel to this segment, right? Okay, angle. All right, we have already know that angle ABC here is 80 degrees, right? And if we can prove that this angle here is 100 degrees, that means the sum of this angle and this angle is 180 degrees. That means the same side interior angles are supplementary. Then we can prove this segment is parallel to this line segment. Okay, so let's have a look at what is the angle here. Okay, note here angle DAB is actually 30 degrees here, right? Plus 70 degrees here. So angle DAB is 100 degrees, right? Therefore, angle DAB plus angle ABC is 180 degrees, right? And angle DAB and angle ABC, as we have discussed, are same side interior angles, right? So if we proved same side interior angles are supplementary, that means the segment AD is parallel to segment BC, right? This is according to the judgment theorem we have learned so far. Okay, have a look at this question and let me know if you finish, okay?
Okay.
All right, so let's have a look at the next one. Angle B in angle ABC is 60 degrees. If an exterior angle at A is 170 degrees, what is the angle C? Okay, in geometry, it's better to draw a diagram to help us understand this problem. So let's draw a triangle here. Let's call this ABC. And we know the angle B in ABC is 60 degrees. So basically here is 60 degrees. We also know that an exterior angle at A is 170 degrees. So that means this angle here is 170 degrees, right? Then let's have a look at the solution. We need to find angle C here. Okay, angle C is 180 degrees minus angle B, then minus an angle here, right? Which is angle CAB. Okay, angle B is 60 degrees. That means it equals 120 degrees minus angle CAB, right? So we need to find angle CAB first. Of course, angle CAB is supplementary to the 170 degrees here, right? So it should equal 180 degrees minus 170 degrees, which is 110 degrees. Therefore, angle C is 120 degrees minus 110 degrees. Sorry, my mistake. This should be 10 degrees, right? And angle C is 120 degrees minus 10 degrees, which gives us 110 degrees, right? You follow me? And of course, there is a easier way to find angle C, right? Remember that according to the theorem we have learned, this is the exterior angle of triangle ABC, right? Any exterior angle is the sum of the two remote interior angles. So method 2 is much easier. So let's see method 2. Method 2, because 170 degrees it just equals angle C plus angle B, right? That means we can directly find angle C is just 170 degrees minus angle B, which is 170 degrees minus 60 degrees, which is also 110 degrees, right? And as you can see here, and method 2 is much more straightforward, right? So in practice, you can choose either method. There are a lot of ways to solve a geometry problem in practice. Okay, please have a look at this question and let me know if you're finished, okay?
Okay.
Okay, then let's have a look at the next one. We're given a diagram below. The task is to find the value of x. Okay, so remember the meaning of the little arrows here. This means segment AB is parallel to segment CD, right? And also we have segment BC parallel to segment DE, right? So there are two pairs of parallel lines. And let's have a look at the solution here. Okay, first of all, we have AB parallel to segment CD, right? So if AB is parallel to CD, note here, this line here is a transversal line, right? And this angle here and this angle here are alternate interior angles, right? If we have a pair of parallel lines, that means the alternate interior angles should be congruent. Therefore, we have angle C equals 3x, right? Okay, we haven't used the other pair of parallel lines. Therefore, let's see the other pair of parallel lines. Segment BC is parallel to segment DE. Therefore, if you consider these two lines, then this line is a transversal line, right? If you consider these two lines that are parallel, then this line is a transversal line. You see that? That means this angle here and this angle here are same side interior angles, right? Parallel lines indicates that same side interior angles should be supplementary. Therefore, if we have BC parallel to D, then angle C plus angle CDE, that means 5x, should equal 180 degrees, right? You follow me?
Yeah.
Okay, then let's call this 1 and let's call this 2. From 1 and 2, we can know that actually C here is 3x, right? So 3x plus 5x should equal 180 degrees. That means 8x is 180 degrees. Therefore, x is 180 degrees over 8. This can be simplified to 22.5 degrees, right? So the final solution is 22.5 degrees. All right, have a look at this question and let me know if we can proceed.
Okay.
All right, let's have a look at the next one. Its measures of the angles in the diagram below are as marked. Find angle C. Okay, we need to find angle C here, right? Okay, note here in a triangle ABC, this is an exterior angle. Exterior angle is the sum of the two remote interior angles. So if this angle is 3x, this angle is 4x, then this angle must be x, right? Can you follow me?
Yeah.
Okay, and also note that these two little arrows state that these two lines are parallel, right? And if these two lines are parallel, that means this angle here and this angle here are alternate interior angles, right? If you consider this line is a transversal line, then 3x here and this angle here are alternate interior angles. That means this angle here must also be 3x, right? And also we know this angle here is 360 degrees. That means this angle here is 360 degrees minus some axis, right? Also, we know that in triangle ABC, these three angles, sum of these three interior angles is 180 degrees. That means probably we can form a equation regarding x. That means we can solve for x, right? So let's write all of these down in a formal way. Okay, first of all, let's say we know AB is parallel to CD, right? Therefore, angle here and angle here are alternate interior angles. Therefore, angle. Oh, sorry, it's not AB. So AC and BE. Therefore, we know angle ABE should equal angle BAC, which is 3x, right? And therefore, angle here, let's call this alpha. Angle alpha is just 360 degrees minus 4x plus 2x plus 3x, which is 360 minus 9x, right? Okay, so this is alpha. Next one, we can calculate angle C in terms of x, right? In triangle ABC, because angle CBD equals sum of angle CAB and angle C, right? Therefore, angle C is angle CBD minus angle CAB. Angle CBD is 4x. Angle CAB is 3x. Therefore, angle C is just x, right? That means this angle is x. Also, we know that in a triangle ABC, we have angle C plus angle A plus alpha is 180 degrees. Therefore, angle C is x. We have already know that. Angle A is 3x. And angle alpha is here. 360 minus 9x equals right side, which is 180 degrees. Therefore, this is a equation about x, right? Left side is 360 degrees minus 5x. Right side is 180 degrees. Therefore, 5x equals 180 degrees. Therefore, we can solve x is just 36 degrees, right? Therefore, angle C is 36 degrees. You follow me?
Yeah.
Okay, have a look at this question and let me know if you finish.
Okay.
All right, let's see the last one. Okay, given the diagram below, find value of x. Okay, so first of all, let's have a look at this here, 2 arrows and this 2 arrows. That means segment BC is parallel to segment AE, right? And note here, there is another pair of parallel lines here. AB is parallel to CD. Okay. All right, if BC is parallel to AE, if we extend segment CD and cross D to meet AE at F, as shown here, then this line here is transversal line, right? If this is a transversal line, that means, okay, let's draw this. Let's draw it nicely here. Let's call this point F. All right, so this is a transversal line, right? If this is a transversal line and BC is parallel to AE, then this angle and this angle are alternate interior angles, right? And because this angle is 2x and this line is parallel to this line, then this angle here must be 180 degrees minus 2x. Then this angle here is 180 degrees minus 2x, right? And this angle here is 180 minus 2x. This means the sum of this angle, and this angle should equal 180 degrees, in which we have set up a equation about x. So it's possible to solve our x in this way, right? Okay, so let's have a look at how we can write this more formally. Okay, first of all, you need to tell your reader what have you done to this diagram. So let's call it solution. Okay, we extend segment DC past D to meet segment AE at point F as shown. Okay, then we know that angle C then we know angle CDE is just the exterior angle of triangle DEF, right? Therefore, angle CDE should equal x plus angle alpha here, right? Let's call this alpha. Or sometimes, in order not to confuse alpha with x, you can use theta. Let's use theta here. Okay, therefore, theta is angle CDE minus x, which is 2x minus x, which is x, right? Okay, and we also know that segment BC is parallel to segment AE. This gives us angle C equals theta, right? Because angle C and theta are alternate interior angles. Therefore, angle C is also x. Okay, so angle C is x. And we also know that because segment AB is parallel to segment CD, therefore, these two angles here, this angle and this angle, are supplementary, right? Because they are same side interior angles. Then we can say, therefore, angle B plus angle C equals 180 degrees. Therefore, we know angle B is 2x. And angle C is proved to be x equals 180 degrees. Therefore, 3x should equal 180 degrees. Therefore, x should equal 60 degrees. Okay. Have a look at this question and let me know if you're finished, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'll give you more questions to practice in this chapter, all right?
Okay.
Okay, you can find the new assignment later today or probably early tomorrow. And remember to go over what we have learned so far. Basically, there are 5 axioms and there are several theorems we have already proved, right? So you need to have a list of these axioms and theorems in your notebook. Okay, so I'll also upload this lecture notes to Google Classroom for you to refer to. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, by the way, the new assignment for the algebra class is also on Google Classroom now. You can download it.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so bye. See you next time.